Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. What have I done to myself? Oh! Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Guys, in today's video we're gonna do like a facial mask which unplugs your pores, cleans your pores, like super detox on your pores. So I was influenced by the other woman here on YouTube. So it's my first time. It's gonna be my first time doing this facial mask. I'm gonna try it out with you. As you can see, guys, I'm on my gym clothes. I'm on my skipping rope challenge, which is day 5 today. So I'm very excited. So far, I see the difference. As you can see, the difference. See the collarbones. Look at this, guys. I'm joking, but yeah, guys, so like it's my first time doing, it's gonna be my first time doing this facial mask. Please do not ask like anything because I don't have an idea. So it's gonna be my first so it's gonna be my first experience with you. So let's try it out. Maybe you should try it out at home. These are all the ingredients that you need or you're gonna use. It's your gelatin. Yes, gelatin. You're gonna use 1 sachet of it. You're gonna use your honey. This is a cinnamon flavor. And then you're gonna use any oil of your choice. I use sweet almond oil. And you're gonna need the milk. So this is the milk that I'm using, full cream fresh milk, and then your container, and then the brush to apply your mask. So let's do it. The thing, I'm just gonna like wave by heart. I'm gonna pour milk, maybe 2 tablespoons of milk. So yeah, guys, let's try it out. It smells so good. Oh my god. No, guys, let's wait and see. It smells so good. Maybe I should put it, maybe I should store it in a container. This one is like, I don't know. So guys, I'm back. I've waited for this mask to dry out for like 30 minutes to 45 minutes. So now let me try to pull it out. Okay. Woo! Yo! Guys. Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Oh god. Okay. See guys, I was scared of the pain. See guys, I was scared of the pain. That's why I didn't put it much because oh shit. It's painful. Oh god. See guys, that's why I didn't put that much because I was scared of this pain. It hurts. Oh god. Hey! Hi. Hey, that's so God. This area guys is so sensitive. Oh shit. Oh god. Guys, this is so painful. What have I done to myself? Oh. Ghê xuống lên đâu. Yo. Yo. Guys, look at my eyes. This is so painful. Yo. Woo. Yes. So guys, you must be careful putting this peel off mask around your hairline and your eyebrows because it's going to tear your hair off. Okay, you must be very okay. Why this area is so sensitive? God. Guys, please consider subscribing for more coming videos. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Okay. Oh God. I'm almost done now, guys. So guys, if you intend to do this mask, you should like apply it like properly. To do this mask, like you should apply it properly so that it's going to be easy to pull it off. Unlike me, I've applied a very little and now it's very annoying to peel it off, you see. But I'm almost done now. I have to go and rinse it off my face and moisturize it. So it's less painful. It's less painful on my forehead. I don't know why. This area is very like sensitive. This area, so sensitive. But on my forehead, it's like a piece of cake. But you see, guys, how my face is smooth. So smooth. So yeah, guys, I'm done removing this peel off mask. So now let me go and wash it off the excess mask because now it's hard to remove this one on my forehead. So I have to go and rinse it off my face. But anyways, guys, like I feel the difference. My skin is so smooth, like a baby, like baby skin. So yeah, let me go and wash off my face and then do the moisturizing. This is the amount I've managed to remove. Yeah guys, so now let me go and wash off the excess and then moisturizing my face. I feel a difference. My skin is so smooth. I'm coming just now. So guys, I've rinsed off the excess mask, peel off mask with warm water, as you can see, and then now I'm pat dry my face. Pat dry. Now I'm done patting drying my face. I'm moisturizing it with Even and Lovely as usual. Yeah guys, that was for today. See how my face is clean. Yeah guys, you should try it. I recommend it. You should try it. It's really cleans your pores, leaves your skin smooth, feeling so soft and smooth, fresh. So yeah guys, if you like this video, please consider subscribing and liking this video and share if you like. Thank you so much guys for watching. See you next time.